depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
This is just another misconception. Because we thought na hahabulin tayo ng ex natin kapag hinabol natin sila. Well, basically, hindi kasi siya ganun nag-work eh. Nag-work ito in a very different way. And alam nyo yan, parang nung mga bata tayo, naglalaro tayo ng langit at lupa. Kung naalala nyo yun, pagkatapos merong isang taya at merong isang tumatakbo palayo. Merong humahabol talaga at merong nagpapahabol. So, di ko naman sinabi na magpahabol ka. Pero kasi kung hindi ka hahabol at mag-i-stay ka sa ground mo, mag-i-stay ka kung nasaan ka nakaupo, mag-i-stay ka and you will not be bothered, you will not be concerned about what is happening, may chance na talaga ma-flip mo yung mangyayari. Or ma-turn mo yung table favorably on your side. You will get the power that you really want. Makuha mo yung kapangyarihan na gusto mo talaga. And in order for you to do that, is just to stay calm. Just be obsessed with yourself, not with your ex, diba? Kasi that obsessions lead into a miserable life na instead na ma-fix nyo ang relationship ninyong dalawa, ang nangyari is lalo siyang lumalala because you are doing some shits and you cannot accept what is really happening. You are mature enough to understand this. You watched my videos, inulan mo ng panonood ng mga videos ko, and you really understand that calmness, stillness, and something like depending on yourself and self-reliance is everything pagdating sa ganito to how to get your ex back. That's all what we need eh. Hindi naman natin kailangan pahirapan yung sarili natin na i-push forward natin ang isang bagay na hindi naman natin matutulak pa. And we have an understanding about that. Hindi nyo pwedeng pilitin ang mga bagay-bagay na mangyari according to what you want. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga mabalik ang ex nyo, I think you need to cut that desire na gusto nyo bumalik ang ex mo. Instead of thinking na gusto ko maibalik sa ex, why don't you think na ayusin mo muna ang sarili mo? Kasi if you are going to think na gusto mo maibalik ang ex mo, you cannot focus on that and have that one. Parang sinasabi mo gusto mo ng pera. Gusto mo ng pera, pero wala ka namang gagawin. So, paano ka magkakapera? So, imbis na gusto mo ng pera, bakit hindi na lang natin sabihin na gusto mo mag-business o kaya gusto mo magtrabaho? Kasi kapag nagtrabaho ka, magkakapera ka. Parang ganun din siya. So, kung gusto mo mabalik ang ex mo, tanggalin mo yan. Ang gawin mo, gusto kong maging obsessed sa sarili ko. I'm not teaching you how to become more narcissist. I'm not teaching you how to become a self-proclaimed delusional. No. What I'm teaching you is how to love yourself kasi kulang ka yata sa obsession sa sarili. Kulang ka sa pagmamahal sa sarili kaya you are going to disrespect yourself and you are going to chase someone na hindi mo naman deserve yung ginagawa mo na paghahabol dun sa tao na yun. So, what I advise is just stay calm. Stillness. And kapag ginawa mo kasi yan, yun lang naman ang sikreto eh. Just to shift, divert. Alam nyo yun, at para yung conflict na yung ex nyo, yung humahabol is ma-shift natin dun sa paraan na kayo naman ang hahabulin. Imbis na kayo ang hahabol. Make sense, di ba? Mas maganda yung ganun kaysa sa pipilitin yung mga bagay-bagay na umayon sa gusto nyo. Bakit hindi nyo na lang paayunin yung sarili nyo sa gusto nyo? Dahil at least, hindi mo man kontrolado ang ex mo. At least lang naman, kontrolado mo yung sarili mo. Maybe you cannot control someone's mind. Maybe you cannot control someone's heart. Maybe you cannot control someone's soul. But at least you can control your own soul. You can control your own mind. And higit sa lahat, you can control your own heart. And if you do that, you don't need to extend an effort. Everything will come up. Kung talagang mahal ka niyan at kung talagang mahal mo siya, una, mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo. At kung mahal niya ang sarili niya, dahil pinatunayan, hiniwalayan kayo niya. So, ibig sabihin nun, mahal niya sarili niya. Ngayon, kung mag-e-end kayong dalawa at makikita kayo sa dulo, then that's it. Anyways, if you need an advice, huwag ka na mag-hesitate pa. Give us a message sa aming page, Philippine Dating Coach. Thanks for watching.